It's not a bazooka but an acoustic diffuser with integrated LED model Garvan KN116. The acoustic diffuser is designed to provide sound for commercial environments, and the installation is suspended. Behind this grill is the speaker and the optional LED that can be white or RGB, and once installed, it provides the environment with background sound and light. In addition to white, it is also available in grey, green, anthracite and Corten effect. It supports 50 watts RMS and 100 watts maximum. This is the top part of the diffuser. I removed the disc, and here are all the connections for both audio and lights. It is just possible. Install it in 3 different ways, but always suspended and ceiling mounted. The simplest way is to put a plug in the ceiling with a hook, and with the provided cable, you hang it up, the speaker, and connect the audio cable of the speaker. The second option is with a bracket, optional, that is fixed to the ceiling. Then we provide the cable that contains the traction cable inside, the audio cable and the cable to also connect the RGB LED, and this is the simplest solution from the installation point of view. The third is a solution with a recessed bracket, both drywall and wall, that is, one of our formworks modified to be flush with the wall. So you have a bracket that is completely flush with the wall, hence flush with our ceiling. Then from there the cable comes out as we saw earlier, where inside it has a cable. Traction, speaker cable and the entire lighting section. Its main use is in bars, restaurants and shops. That's all from Garvan, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks, see you soon.